Today we're going to elevate your standard box cake mix to the next level using just a few easy hacks. Here we have a box of our cake mix, one package. Just gonna throw that into a mixing bowl. So instead of using water, we're going to use milk. Using milk is gonna give your cake more richness and flavor. And then I'm gonna add 3 eggs as per the instructions. And now we're going to substitute the oil for melted butter. Using melted butter makes the cake more moist and gives the crust more richness and texture. And then mix the batter until there are no more lumps, and then eventually you're gonna get this nice velvety cake mixture. And the last ingredient we're gonna add to upgrade our cake is a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm gonna drop in about 2 tablespoons worth. This is gonna increase the lusciousness and the flavor of our cake. Mix everything well and make sure you have a nice texture. And then we're gonna pour everything into a pan. Spread the batter evenly out in your pan. Throw it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And once the baking time is up and your cake is cooked, check to see if it's fully cooked using a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. And then finish off your cake by adding your favorite frosting. I just got a simple vanilla frosting here, and I'm gonna add some walnuts on top to enhance the texture. And that's it. There you have a delicious upgraded box cake.